Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the best frames quickly. Pick 1 to 3 that have the strongest composition and light. Next, open the RAW file and set a neutral white balance so colors stay flexible. Correct lens distortion and enable lens profiles to remove vignetting. This simplifies later edits. Adjust exposure in small 0.5 EV increments while watching the histogram to protect highlights and shadows. Once done, you have a clean baseline image, ready for targeted local work and color control. You now move into local adjustments to shape depth and mood. Create separate masks for sky, foreground, and main subject. Feather generously so transitions stay natural. Use dodge and burn sparingly, around +10 to -20 exposure, to guide the eye without flattening texture. Once shaped, balance color selectively. Lift greens to make foliage lively, tweak hue slightly to avoid unnatural tones, and restrain saturation so you keep realism. Make sure to preview before and after to check that edits enhance, not overwhelm. You finish by preparing the file for its final use. Resize to the target output dimensions and apply output-specific sharpening, smaller radius and moderate amount for web, slightly higher for print. Convert and embed the appropriate color profile, sRGB for online, Adobe RGB or Pro Photo for print. Then export using a quality-controlled preset. If you encounter halos or overclarity, reduce clarity, lower mask opacity, or dial back local contrast. This troubleshooting step preserves natural transitions while keeping crispness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.